So then this is my online network blue sky channel. In this my video you can see here I am already created lot of video about control panel. So I am created already component services video related event viewer, computer management as well as so we are to talk about the performance monitor. Okay, so it is a performance monitor and how using and why this system and in a computer performance monitor. Okay, so performance monitor is one type of perform your computer perform your computer in a different device process and load your computer. So everything showing in your performance monitor. This one type of tool showing your how your computer load working in your computer. Some you upon your folder, some upon your file, some upon software program. You are using high level type of graphics, animations. So everything how is performing your computer and some slow down your computer system. So this reason create a tool of performance monitor for performance. So watch my previous video, very important for you. Either you cannot understand about control because my all video part was here. Okay, so no, just know about performance monitor. So I click on double click and you can see here my performance monitor open here, and you can see here this is a performance monitor is one type of you can see here this is one window. So main is what is you can perform performance monitor to view performance data either in real time or from a log file. Okay, create a data collector, set configure and schedule performance counter, event trace and configuration data collection so that you can analyze to result to and view report. Okay, to begin expand monitor tools and click performance monitor and or expand data character set or reports. Okay, so the new resource monitor lets to view detailed real time information about hardware resources just like a CPU, disk, network and memory, and the system resources included handle and module. So in use uh, by the operating system services and running applications. In addition, you can resource monitor to stop process, start-stop services, analyze process, and deadlocks to us to view threat, weight, and identity process looking files. So you can see here my control panel series control panel. Just like you can see here performance monitor and resource monitor same showing logo and same, but work is different. Resource monitor is one type of storing everything data process background side. So I'm already some created video background and background process. You can watch technical tips my playlist in my channel video and view a background process and what is the background process I will already told you. So watch it. Um, it is a good video for you. So you want know about background processes because this is all of CPU, disks, network, everything. I am only created on resources, main monitor videos in control panel playlist. So what is a resource monitor is one type of everything services, data, CPU, memory, disk, network, process ID, files ID of your processing, and some reading and writing type of data loading and load out and different type of configuration running some services, everything. It is a very showing details. You can see here because this is my CPU and you can stop your process. You can you can your everything suspense process. So you can see here this is a resource monitor and again I'm showing again this is a resource monitor and performance monitor. Okay, this is a performance monitor. So performance monitor you can see here performance monitor and resource monitor different monitor. Okay, so you can see here this is a resource monitor and performance monitor. So what is the performance monitor? Performance monitor is you can see here, this is a perform your monitors. Okay, so performance is you can see here, this is a perform monitor and system summary. Okay, so let's know about the performance monitor. So you can see here, this is a performance monitor and this is a performance monitor those you can see this is my performance monitor name, and you can see here this is a logo. Click on file in showing options on your old type of save it profile, and some changes and some disk space, and so you can delete here. You want to know some previous customized console file, so I don't like, because this is I'm only so special settings already add in performance monitor. So you can see here action, you can take action, so you're not showing only help. View, you can view customize just like how much your column, so console tree, standard menus, and different type tools. Window, you can see here, this is a windows and cascade window tile or horizontal. And help, you can take about performance monitor related version. You can see here, this is a version of performance monitor. And you can see here, this is a left hand side of some give me tools for monitoring tools, and monitor tool inside some performance monitor tab tool showing me here. Okay, data collector set, you can see here, and 4 tab data collector. User defined means user related, system means operating system related. Okay, so this is 2 type, and 4 is event trace session, event related information, startup event trace system. Okay, and reports, you can see here, this is a report showing me, and any column in your system is defined, user defined and system defined. Okay, so control some performance and related some exit. Okay, so you can see here, this is performance monitor, and click on monitoring tools, and only one monitoring tools performance monitor, click on, and you can see here, this is a performance monitor of my my computer and my CPU systems. So you can see here, this is my one type of loading lines. Okay, so you can add you can see left side, you can view current activity. So this is a view current activity in my computer, and you can see here, this is a view log data. So click on, and you can see here, this is a view clock view your data. Okay, so your I am again showing your log data. Click on general, and you can see here, this is display elements, legend, value bar, and toolbar. Okay, so report and histogram data. So default, current, maximum, minimum, average, you can see here. So you can see, this is one type of data. Source, current activity data, you can see here. See, this is a color, and you want to add some, this is the only performance information, only processor time take. Okay, this is showing in lines is processor time only. Okay, but I'm add other system, and I'm enter other processor performance. Okay, this processor performance add, and click on, and yes, you can see CPU frequency, processor maximum frequency, and processor frequency, processor state flags. Okay, so add, and you can see this is a performance related everything, a performance processor performance. Click OK. So you can see here, this is add everything, and showing me here customize, because already red line this area is the time of processor, but I'm at some again some blue line, this is processor related. Okay, apply, click on, and you can OK. So this is red with a blue line showing me everything, and this is CPU processor frequency. You can see here this everything is showing me in my copy. Some yellow tab, you can see processor state flag 0, but you can see here this is a blue line in processor state flag, and you can see here this is a processor time and of maximum frequency. So this is a maximum frequency and showing me real line processor time. So frequency one type of your speed of your computer data and input on. Again, I'm showing you can lines time, see want history time. You can see here this is everything showing me column, and you can change again report type. So you can this is a report type. So line is showing me. Plus, I can you can add. You can add. I'm already told you. I'm performance or processor information. I'm already entered. But I want some other server enter. I can enter some or SMB processor. Okay, so processor enter here. Okay, click OK, add, click OK. You can see here. So this is a lot of processor related informations and some lines. So every line is you can see here everything C1, C2, C3. So this is a cache memory 1, cache memory 2, cache memory 3, and process and process related information. So you can see a lot of here. Okay, and cross line means delete. So I can delete everything. You can see here this is a delete everything. Okay, everything delete. And again I'm add some processor related. Okay, processor, add, click OK. So processor related everything you can see here this is one type of process. So interrupt that, DPC time, interrupt time, uh, DPC rate, DPC current seconds, C1, C2, cache memory 1 time, cache memory 2 time, cache memory 3, cache memory transition 1 seconds, everything showing this is a related only processor related. Okay, and you can see here this is a highlight enter. If you can highlight here. Okay, anything you want to highlight, so I can highlight here. This is one type of your copy your properties. Okay, so you can copy and again other side paste. This is paste area. Okay, you want to stop this, so stop, but background start automatically continue running, and you can see here this is start. Okay, and you can see here this is the performance monitor properties. So performance monitor properties, what is the properties? Because everything data connect with all another systems, and everything have one type of properties, and this is properties one type of detail and controlling system everything. So you can see here I want change C1 line. Okay, this is C1 line. You can see downside, and I can enter black, and you can see this is a yellow line. Okay, yellow line side I am find first yellow line. So yellow, this yellow line where is first, yes, this is a yellow line, and you can see total interrupt seconds. So I am enter black, either blue color, and okay, you can see this is changing. So this is okay. So this is performance monitor related. Okay, data collector set. What is the data collector set? So your data is one type of user defined. Right click and new in data collector set. So why is a data collector? What is a data collector of set? One type of collection of your computer data, just like your performance and everything. So create from you can create manually advanced type, and create from a template means a recommended system. So you want advanced, so you can enter advanced system. You want a recommended, so you can enter recommended system. So I'm create advanced recommended system, and you can see basic system related WDAC center basic and you can see here this is basic is one type of showing me root directory of your collect everything in this folder here. So click on here, you can change everything, you can change from, okay. And the next is one type of run as a default, so you can change everything, some data related to save, close, and start this data collector set now. So start data collector set now is one type of collect your everything your data. So it is one type of finish is a type of startup. So I click on finish and you can see stop. This is status stop, and I'm set only basic related data. So click on start and you can see here this is everything my showing me performance counter, configuration, trace. It is one type of my of pre my computer related everything, some performance related, okay. And I can configure it just like you can see here. This is a kernel. So kernel is one type of your main operating system file of your computer, main file of your system starting. So you can enter event, and as you can see here, and you can edit of some your .NET, some everything, input output system, LSP registry detail, network, TCP IP, everything this showing me in my computer system here, okay. Trace system, you can see here, trace system, trace buffer, you can see a file some created here, okay. Performance counter is a performance counting system, okay. So how much your performance counting system, and so you can apply on here, okay. So you can enter only the user define your collection of data. Refresh, click on, you can export your data, everything from your collected. So I'm again showing you new type of, you can arrange icons, line of icons, okay. So auto arrange, automatically arrange your line, okay. So I'm again click new and showing again new type of data. So data collector set means you collect your data from computer for you want anything. So click on next, you want basic, so I am enter some system performance related, okay. Click on next, and this is again showing me data collector set, so you can enter any new name, either you can enter some new folder. So everything collect in this system drive performance log and admin this of data, okay. So I think I want some this you can see here this area site. So again I'm going to you can see here this okay, admin, and you can see uh, okay. So perflux and admin. So first going to Intel, no, perflux, and going to admin and new data collector set, okay, this folder. So how we are fired, because you can see here this is showing me here, okay. So enter inside perform log and perform admin, okay. So this is okay. And the next click on and you can see create data collector is run as a default. So showing me default and some everything even so save and close, save and save, and close up, start this data collector set now is start, and data collector set now, open properties for this data collector set. So save and click so again you can see here this is a data collector not start, and click on start. You can start your save tablet, data manager, latest report, everything you can see, delete, okay. So I'm again click on start and press performance, okay. So this is the processor and the different type TCP, UDP, and okay. So very important some you showing me here. System you can see here. So event trace, okay. So what is the system, and system related, system diagnostic, system performance related already stop, and default computer related, okay. So audio related running, you can see here this is the performance dashboards and dialogue, and okay, so event log tip channel, the event system, everything you can see here. This is one type of showing me in my system related running of events. So what is the event? Event is one type of collection of your data, and this event we were stored in system. I am already created event viewer related video. Okay, watch my previous video, very important for you, because event viewer very good for your information later. So everything stored your information, computer error, computer problem, everything information stored in event viewer data in Microsoft Office system. So startup events trace, so you can startup is event trace showing me reports. You can see user defined. So user defined means user related defining system, user data collector desktop. Okay, so this is a new data collector of your computer. So this is a new data collector. What is a new data collector of you can see here, this is a desktop and user related defining system. So only data collection system problems, loading and everything. So I'm going to down and you can see process and showing me everything, processor. Okay, CPU in the process, and processor in, as you can see, this is my showing me this everything launch and use. I'm a dual core 2, and this is a cam recorder. You can see this is showing me how many type of system using. So system using is a large 144. So files use 9% and using 2.4%. And you can see here this is a total showing me, and you can see disks mean your hard disk. So click on hard disk and disk and hot file disk background side. Okay, so everything showing me, and click on system. You can see a system. So very good, and the default type and everything showing as one type of computer. Okay, so next is start, and next time I will show you different type of new type of so next time I will show you Windows memory diagnostic. So Windows memory diagnostic is very important, because a lot of people not know about Windows memory diagnostic. Windows memory diagnostic is using for RAM and RAM related. So next time I will show you Windows memory diagnostic related everything information, and why using this system, why operating system in give tools. Okay, and next time I will continue Windows memory diagnostic related everything options and related of systematic tools. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue Windows memory diagnostic related and some features and advanced and benefit of Windows memory dynasty tools. Okay, so click on subscribe and click on bell icon and click on share this my video in your friend circle. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will show you Windows memory dynasty related video. So thank you. Have a nice day.